Welcome back to Legislation Daily. Offences involving the deprivation of liberty in British law primarily address situations where an individual's freedom of movement or autonomy is unlawfully restricted. The key legislation governing these offences includes the common law offence, a false imprisonment, the statutory offence of kidnapping, and offences related to human trafficking and slavery under the Modern Slavery Act 2015. False imprisonment is a common law offence involving the unlawful restraint of a person, restricting their freedom of movement entirely. There is no requirement for the use of physical force. Simply preventing someone from leaving a particular area can constitute false imprisonment. The offence does not require a specific intent to confine the victim unlawfully, making it a strict liability offence. False imprisonment can also occur in both public and private settings, including within relationships or employment situations. Kidnapping is a statutory offence defined by the unlawful and forceful taking or carrying away of a person against their will. It involves both the deprivation of liberty and the transportation of the victim to another location. Unlike false imprisonment, kidnapping generally requires the use of force, threat, or fraud to move the victim. It also typically involves an intent to ransom, coerce, or otherwise exploit the victim, although this intent is not always required for the offence to be established. Kidnapping is considered a serious offence and carries a maximum sentence of life imprisonment. The Modern Slavery Act 2015 introduced comprehensive measures to combat human trafficking, slavery, servitude, and forced or compulsory labour. Under this legislation, it is a criminal offence to hold someone in slavery or servitude, or to require them to perform forced or compulsory labour. The Act also addresses human trafficking, where individuals are moved, either within or across borders, for the purpose of exploitation, which often involves significant restrictions on their liberty. Convictions under the Modern Slavery Act can lead to severe penalties, including life imprisonment. Another area where deprivation of liberty is addressed is the Mental Capacity Act 2005, which governs the care of individuals who lack the mental capacity to make decisions for themselves. The Act includes deprivation of liberty safeguards, which protect vulnerable individuals from being unlawfully deprived of their liberty in care settings. It ensures that any deprivation of liberty is in the person's best interests and subject to regular review. British law provides robust protections against the unlawful deprivation of liberty, encompassing a range of offences from false imprisonment and kidnapping to modern slavery and human trafficking. These laws aim to protect individual freedom and dignity, with severe penalties for those who violate these rights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more UK legislation content.